Hey, what's up guys, my name is David from Litex and today I will show you how to turn on the notifications on Snapchat. I'm using an iPhone, but I'll show you also two ways. Don't worry, it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone, because I will show you how to turn on the notifications from inside the app. And after that I'll show you how to turn on the notifications from the settings of the phone. I'll press on my avatar right now and we have to press on the top right corner. There is a gear icon in the top right corner. I will press on that. From here we can locate the notifications, the settings of the notifications. I will press on that and here you can personalize everything that you want to show up. Like if you want to have to receive certain notifications, you can do that, but as you can see I'm not allowed because I didn't allow the notifications from the settings of the phone. So that being said, let's reach the settings of our iPhone and I will scroll all the way down until I reach Snapchat. Here it is. I will press on that and after that we have to press on notifications and I'll press on allow notifications, and now Snapchat should be allowed to send us notifications. I will get back into Snapchat. It doesn't seem like it's letting me, so let's reset, close everything and open again. Back to Snapchat, settings, notifications, and yes, now it's fixed. We can mark on certain notifications and disable others. So right now you can turn everything off and turn on the notification you want to receive from Snapchat. Now you can personalize it. So the first way is to reach notification settings inside the Snapchat app, and the second way is to reach the settings of your phone. Locate the app, then here you will have notifications and allow or disable the notifications. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will try to get to you as soon as possible. Please have a great day.